Geotechnical services in Saket are crucial for any construction project. These services involve the evaluation and assessment of the soil, rock, and groundwater conditions at a site. By understanding the characteristics of the subsurface materials, engineers can design foundations, slopes, and retaining structures that are safe and resilient. Scon Design Delhi is a reputable company that offers geotechnical services in Saket and has a team of experienced professionals who specialize in this field. When it comes to geotechnical services in Saket, Scon Design Delhi is known for its expertise and commitment to delivering high-quality results. The company utilizes advanced techniques and equipment to carry out geotechnical investigations, including drilling and sampling of soil and rock, as well as conducting laboratory tests to determine the engineering properties of these materials. This data is then used to create detailed geotechnical reports that provide recommendations for foundation design, earthworks, and other construction-related activities. One of the key aspects of geotechnical services in Saket is the assessment of site suitability. Before any construction project can begin, it is essential to evaluate the suitability of the site for the proposed development. This involves studying the soil composition, groundwater levels, and potential hazards such as landslides or liquefaction. Scon Design Delhi has the expertise to conduct these assessments accurately, ensuring that the site is suitable for construction and identifying any potential risks that may need to be addressed. Another important aspect of geotechnical services in Saket is the design of foundations. The foundation is the base upon which a structure is built, and it must be designed to support the load of the building while ensuring stability and minimizing settlement. Scon Design Delhi has extensive experience in designing different types of foundations, including shallow foundations such as spread footings and deep foundations like pile foundations. Their geotechnical expertise allows them to select the most appropriate foundation system for each project based on factors such as soil properties, building loads, and site conditions. In addition to site suitability assessments and foundation design, geotechnical services in Saket also include slope stability analysis. Slopes can be prone to instability due to factors such as steepness, soil properties, or groundwater conditions. Scon Design Delhi has the knowledge and tools necessary to assess slope stability and develop mitigation measures if required. This ensures that slopes are safe from failures such as landslides or slope erosion. In conclusion, geotechnical services in Saket play a crucial role in ensuring the success and safety of construction projects. Geotechnical services play a crucial role in the construction industry, providing valuable information and analysis on the soil and rock conditions at a project site. In Saket, a bustling neighborhood in Delhi, Scon Design is a leading firm that offers comprehensive geotechnical services to clients. With their expertise and experience, Scon Design has established itself as a trusted provider of geotechnical services in Saket. Saket is a rapidly developing area in Delhi, with numerous construction projects taking place. From residential buildings to commercial complexes, the demand for reliable geotechnical services is high.